guys, welcome back. Hope you guys are doing great. Gorgeous, I am fine. It's long I did a try on haul. The last one I did was the jean I tried from Shein, and it was fabulous. So I went back to Shein to buy all these you just saw now. So we're going to try them together. They are of lower price. When I bought the jean, I was so surprised of the quality with the price I bought it, and it fitted so well. I'm going to leave the link of that video here if you've not seen it, so that you can just click on it to watch that video. I went back to Shein to buy all these you're saying. This video is not sponsored. I bought everything with my money. So I said, let me try them with you guys. Let's see, because they are affordable. I hardly wear skirt. If you know me, I don't wear skirt. And being a new mom, I still have, you see this. We haven't started exercising, so my tummy is still big. So I went for this skirt and a top. As you can see, you see the design. Even the skirt, the same thing. It has this design here. It's as if you're wearing the back of your dress. It's so beautiful. Me that don't wear skirt, I love this. Back jean. This is the next one I'm going to try. The color is black. See, it has pocket here. You can see here. Okay, and the under is baggy. See, detailed here. See, it has pockets both sides and zip at the middle. So let me try it on, guys. This is it on. I took size 38. Let me go back so that you guys can see. You can see it's baggy. This is the back. You see this? It's not bad. I like it, but it's a little bit free. You see, so what am I going to do today? It's me that don't wear belt. So casually keep diving. The next thing I'm going to try is this top. Let me bring it out. You see, it's kind of a chiffon top with a turtleneck, and it's free. You can see it has sleeves. Okay, you can see turtleneck. I took M because I wear medium. Okay, see the sleeves, so you can see the detail of the hand and the neck as well. It's turtleneck and it's transparent. This is so free for the summer. Wow, let me try it on. So guys, this is it on. It's so colorful. I really like it, the way it's free. I can hide my tummy with this. See the sleeves. Wow, I really like this. Oh, I like this. You see the print on it. Wow, this is beautiful. I really like it, and I like the fact that it's so free and it's transparent. It looks sexy. So I thought that you can play with this. So guys, this one is another combat. It's a combat trouser. I think this one is up down. We're going to try this. It's 2 pieces. This looks big. It looks big. Let's try it on and see. So guys, this is it. It's not tight on the, see, the material is very light. It's like I don't know how to explain it to you guys. It's light and it's making some noise, but it's beautiful anyway. I like it with the pocket, side pocket. See, I don't know if you guys can see it from head to toe. So I took another combat. That's the trend right now, so I decided to let me take much of them. So it's the same thing. You can see it has this pocket by the side. It's the same thing with the black one, but this one is a carton color. Okay, I'm just going to try it on with this top. Let's see. Let me bring it out. Ooh, how gorgeous is this? I love this. This is beautiful. It's long sleeve. You guys know I wear long sleeve, a lot of long sleeve. Why? Because my arms are big, so long sleeve help me to like hide all these big mama's hand. Okay, that is why I like wearing long sleeve. So let's try it with this top on. Guys, this is the two on. The top has this rope. You can see, you just use it to tie round. You cross here, okay, then you tie it round. Okay, this is it. You can see the trouser is so tight. It's 38, but it's really tight and it's not long. Let me see the top. Don't look at all these fats, okay? It's just simple and fine. And the trouser, you can see the trouser is so tight, so tight. Sorry, it's so tight, but I took 38. I don't know, some sizes, the sizes, I don't know how they do their sizing. Sometimes 38 will be too big, sometimes 38 will be too tight, sometimes 38 will just be my size. I don't understand. Anyway, and this trouser is a little bit short. Let me show you guys. It's really short. It's not as long as the other ones. This pocket here, see here, see the waist, see it's tight. You can see it's tight. It has elastic. Here's the back. Maybe I'm going to return this one. This is another combat, but it's blue. Okay, see, I bought so many combats. So many. Everything I bought is just combat. And the down is baggy. Okay, they are all the same thing. Okay, but this one, the pocket is different. You can see the pocket of this one. It's not like the other ones. I'll be trying it with this top. It's just a simple top. See the color. Let me bring it out. It's turtleneck. So guys, this is the top. It's just a simple top and I like the color. I hardly wear colors like this. I like white, anything white. I always wear white. I just like this. It's simple. You can wear this summer. It's kind of crop top, see, and the jean is so tight. See this, see the way it divide my tummy. Let me bring it down for you guys. See the way the jean divide my tummy. It's really tight, but I'm going to keep it because since I'm trying to like lose weight, okay, I'm going to keep this. I'm not returning it. And this is the back of the jean. It has some design. I don't know if you guys can see here. Can see here. I like that. It makes it looks different from the rest. And I love the top. You can take it upward like this. I think I prefer it this way. Or if you want to look more sexy, you leave it this way. So whichever way you want to rock it. I just like it. It's a simple top, but it's okay. It's beautiful. I like it. Simple and beautiful. See this? I need to burn all this part. You see the jean? It's not too long, but I like the size with heel. With slippers like this is okay. If you wear heel, it's going to suspend a little, but it's not bad. I like it. I think this one is also a top too. Just a simple top. And it's medium. So guys, this is the top. See, it has this detail. See, I really love this. Ooh, simple and it's stretchy. See, so if you're smaller than me, you can take S. I wish I took S. It would have still sized me because it's a little bit straight. You can see it's stretchy. I would have taken S. See the back, it's just simple something. So guys, this is another top. I want to try this one. This one is white and it's long sleeve. You guys know I said I love wearing long sleeve because of my hand, because it slim my hand. If you have big arms like me, try wearing long sleeve. It will slim down your arms. They will think you have tiny arms. The front is longer while the back is short. So let's try. You can never go wrong with white shirt like this. Oh, this is elegant. Okay, so let me try this on for you guys to see. So guys, this is it. You can see the detail in the front. See here. Oh, I love this. Ooh. See here. Everything I took is M, okay? And I bought a bag too. Let me show you guys. Let's see to this purse that I bought. Look at this. Ooh, I love this. Oh girl, oh girl, give me this. Give me this. Ooh, you see the details of this purse, this bag. It's lovely. I so much like it. See? Look at the inside. This is lovely. I like the way they knot this place. And the top.
Here I find myself again, time traveling only in my head, from the past to future.
So it has button to the top. You can button it as you want, but I prefer to open it like this. Guys, we're moving on to this one. I don't know if it's a top or let's see, you see a white top. Okay, okay, still a white top. It has, you see the detail, lace at the back. Okay, and the front, you can see the design in the front. I'm going to wear it with this trouser here. It's still the same thing, combat. See, will this go with white? Yeah, let's see. Let me wear it. It's kind of pinky. Look at the color. This is the real color you're seeing right here. This is the color. See the color? So let me try it on with this one and see. It's still 38. I wear 38, so this 38 as well. I think this trouser did not bring it out. Simple white top too, not really simple with all this. See here, see this design here, and at the back, you see the back, it has lace for you to tighten it. You can just tighten it with this. Okay, and voila. And the jean, the trouser, the jean, look at it, this color, it looks like pink somehow. Let me bring it out, bring it down. You see the trouser, it's pink somehow. You see, it's not too tight and it's still 38. Okay, see the back. The history of this trouser, the day I was ordering all these things, I was with my hubby. So my hubby preferred this color. Why? I like the other color, the first one that I wore the other time. So since we both like different one, I decided to buy the two. That is why I have these two. So together, this is it together. Okay, I'm going to try another one. They are much, I'm tired, but no problem. We are still going to try the next one. There are still remaining about 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Ooh, it's still remaining 10. My god, I'm sure I'm going to share this video into two, because if not it will be too long. I'll do part 1 and part 2. Okay, so but I'm going to try all. All right, I love this top. Simple white top. If you carry your bag, where is my bag, and pair it with shoe. It's not bad. You're good to go. Yeah, you're good to go.